Hi, I just wanted to talk to you really quick about January's starter kit special. If you haven't heard, each of the kits, there's 3 available, each of them will have extra pieces in this month only. So the $99 kit is going to have 5 extra pieces in it. That's a really basic kit. If you got it, you would probably want to place an order right away, which you can do the second you sign up, which is a nice benefit. You don't have to wait any amount of time. The $299 kit, it has 25 extra. That would be a little bit more like it. Oh, I should tell you how many they normally come with. Hang on. So the 99 one comes with 35, so you're going to get 40, all right? The $299 comes with 120, so you'll get 145. And the last kit, the $499 kit, comes with 200, and you're going to get 250. So that is an awesome deal. Plus, you get a convention ticket with that biggest kit. So those are some things to think about. You are welcome to ask me any questions you would like. There's lots of benefits to being a paparazzi consultant. It's just fun. It really is. You make a 45% commission, which is higher than most direct selling companies like ours. Get to be your own boss, which is, I really like that. I like to do what I want. I would have a hard time working anywhere. You get the free website, which we don't have to pay anything for. It's just free the minute we sign up, and you can give it to your customers and they can order directly from it, okay? There's chances to get incentive trips and different kinds of recognition. One good thing is that we don't have to buy catalogs. In another company that I did for 15 years, which I absolutely loved, we did have to buy catalogs, and they were kind of expensive, and just it made things, a lot of work. But with our company, we get new releases every single day, so it doesn't make sense to have a catalog. Anyone can go online and look at my new things that are released every day. Hi, Amber. So that's a great thing. Every business day we get new releases. Okay, as far as the monthly quotas, there isn't any unless you want to be included on the consultant locator, and I can get into more of that. The basic thing is that you only have to order 100 pieces a year if that's how you choose to run your business. If you choose to be a little more aggressive about it, there's different totals, and I'm not going to get into all that. I can tell you in private if you're interested, okay? And I do have a document that I've made that has just every single thing you could possibly want to know about paparazzi. And I also, if you want just a simple version, I have a little brochure that I've put together, okay? I'd be glad to either email the document to you or send you the brochure, okay? All right, and the thing that I love about this company is that everything is just $5. So when you're doing a party, anybody can afford it. When people come by your booth at an event, anybody can afford it. And they like that because, some of the booths, when you go see things, they're just so expensive that you're like, I love everything, but I can't get anything because it just costs too much. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I will be glad to help you out and answer anything more detailed as you want. If you know me, I don't hide anything. I tell you the truth about it all. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.